Flawless Ice Roller is designed to help relieve pain and discomfort and decrease swelling and puffiness. Ice rolling therapy helps relieve fatigue, calm skin, and reduce inflammation. Use in the morning to help wake up and tighten skin before makeup application. Use in the evening after your skin cleansing routine to help close pores and reduce puffiness. The Flawless Ice Roller is made with soft and comfortable gel that freezes quickly and evenly. Simply put the gel roller in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes and enjoy the benefits of ice rolling massage. From the world's #1 facial hair remover for women, Finishing Touch Flawless introduces Flawless Ice Roller. Put in the freezer for 10 to 15 minutes and simply roll across face to help calm skin, close pores, reduce puffiness and massage. Easy to clean, portable and effective, this massager and ice roller will become an essential part of your daily and nightly routine. Use in tandem or instead of your rose quartz stone, jade roller or beauty bio cryo ice roller. Satisfaction always guaranteed with Finishing Touch Flawless. Top reviews from the United States. Great massager. This massager is amazing. Comes way bigger than I expected but loving it. Easy to grab and use. I massage all of my body and use it for my neck and face as well. I put it in the freezer and use it in the morning, so refreshing. Highly recommend.